Today I'm trying a new recipe called Southern Pork Tenderloin that I found on Allrecipes. I'll link the recipe down below in the description. And so I have about a pound of, this is pork top loin, boneless, what is it? Pork top loin chops, boneless, butterflied. So I have a pound of that. So I'm just salting my pork. We're going to need a tablespoon of parsley or Italian seasoning. This goes right into the breadcrumbs. And then 1 teaspoon each of onion and garlic powder. And then also a half teaspoon of black pepper. I'm gonna mix that up. And I have my pan of oil heating up right over there. Now we're just going to coat our pork in the breadcrumb mixture. It's been about 3 minutes. I'm going to flip them. Going to flip it over one more time. To go with the pork, I just cooked some whole wheat penne pasta and poured a tomato pasta sauce in, and I'll also add Italian cheese. Ready. So I'm going to cut up my pork just so it's easier to eat. Look at that. I feel like this almost has a chicken parmesan feel to it. Just because of that pasta that I added. But that looks good. Oh my god. I just had a tip of it. And it is so good. It is so good. You have to try it. You don't have to try this recipe. Okay, here it is. Southern pork tenderloin. Hope you try this recipe, and if you do, comment down below how you liked it. Thank you. Bye-bye.